In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show ads in a specific location using Google Ads. This is a fundamental skill to master if you want to reach the right audience for your business efficiently and not waste your budget on unqualified leads. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is where it all begins. Google Ads is a powerful platform that lets you get customers and sell more through online advertising. Once you arrive, you'll want to sign in. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one, as this is a fundamental requirement to access the Google Ads services. Once you're signed in, locate the Google Ads home section. This is your central hub where you'll manage all of your ad campaigns. It may seem a bit daunting at first with all various options, but we're going to make it simple by focusing on just one area today: location targeting. Now look for a tab labeled campaigns and click on it. This will open up a window where you can see all your existing campaigns or start fresh with a new one. For our purpose today, we'll continue with an existing campaign. Here's a tip: make sure you choose the one that you want to focus your location settings on, as these settings are specific to each campaign. After that, head on over to the settings option. The settings area is a powerful place where you can define the nitty-gritty details of how your campaign runs, including budgets, bidding strategies, and most importantly for this session, the locations where your ads will appear. In the settings section, you'll find an option called locations. This is where you can customize where your ads are targeted geographically. Click on it and you'll be presented with your current location settings. If you're noticing that your ads are either too widespread or not targeting the right areas, this is where you'll make the changes. To specify a new location, there will be an option to enter another location. This feature allows for precise targeting by letting you enter specific cities, regions, or even a radius around a set point. Consider this your command center for targeting only the areas crucial to your business needs. Fine-tuning your ad campaign by focusing on specific geographical areas can significantly increase effectiveness and ROI. After entering the desired location, don't forget to save your changes. Saving ensures that all your hard work translates into real-world ad placements exactly where you want them. By following these steps, you're harnessing the power of Google Ads to make sure your ads are not just being shown, but shown in the places where they'll be most effective. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.